The true story of billionaire Elon Musk. Elon Musk, one of the most mysterious and extraordinary figures of the 21st century. He is the richest man in the world, but if you think you know everything about him, you're wrong. Musk is not just famous for Tesla and SpaceX. He is a man who took the biggest risks and earned the greatest rewards. Today we will tell you the true story of the money king, Elon Musk. You will see how he went from poverty to becoming a billionaire and revolutionizing the financial world. 1. Musk's early life. 1971, South Africa. Musk's life began like any ordinary child, but his mind was completely different from others. At the age of 3, he was already trying to understand how the world worked. Elon was always asking himself, why does the world function this way? And he started looking for answers. At 12, he learned programming and created his first game. Most kids loved playing games, but Musk loved creating them. At the age of 12, he sold his first video game and made money. His childhood was tough. His classmates often bullied him. At school, he was one of the kids who suffered the most, but instead of breaking him, it made him stronger. Chapter 2. His first millions and startups. As a teenager, he moved to Canada and later to the US, creating companies that made millions of dollars. Zip2, Musk's first major success. In 1999, he sold his first company, Zip2, for $22 million. PayPal, the beginning of a financial revolution. Then he co-founded PayPal, completely transforming the world of online payments. After PayPal was sold, Musk's share was $180 million. Most people would have saved that money and retired, but not Musk. Musk, interview clip. I put all my money into Tesla and SpaceX. If I had lost, everything would have been over. Tesla, on the brink of bankruptcy. Tesla, his dream of revolutionizing the automobile industry. But the 2008 financial crisis could have destroyed everything. Tesla relied on new technology, but investors didn't believe in it. People said electric cars wouldn't work. They said, this company will go bankrupt. Musk used his personal money to save Tesla, even going broke himself. He was even ready to sell his house just to keep Tesla alive. But then the Tesla Model S became a massive success, making history. SpaceX, the impossible mission. Then came the biggest risk, SpaceX. By 2008, Musk had already lost 3 rockets. NASA didn't believe in him. Investors abandoned him. He had only one last chance. The 4th launch was a success, securing a $1 billion contract with NASA. This contract changed the entire space industry. The money king. Today, Elon Musk is the richest man in the world. Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, the Boring Company. His companies are redefining technology. His fortune has surpassed $200+ billion. He's no longer just in the car or space industry. He's reshaping the entire world. Elon Musk is not just the money king. He is the man building the future. And the most important question is, are you ready to risk everything for your dreams? You've heard about his rise, but do you know what happened after he became the richest man in the world? The journey of Elon Musk didn't stop at billions. He kept pushing boundaries, taking bigger risks, and shaking entire industries. Today, we dive deeper into the life of the money king, his latest challenges, his vision for the future, and the struggles nobody talks about. Buying Twitter, the $44 billion gamble. In 2022, Musk made his most controversial move. He bought Twitter for $44 billion. Many thought he was crazy. Critics called it the worst business decision ever. But Musk had a bigger plan. He turned Twitter into X, aiming to create an all-in-one super app. He didn't just want a social media platform. He wanted a digital revolution. He fired over 50% of the staff and restructured the company. Some saw it as ruthless, others called it genius, but Musk never cared about opinions. He only focused on results. The question remains, will X change the world, or was this Musk's biggest mistake? Neuralink, connecting the human brain to AI. Musk's boldest idea, merging human brains with artificial intelligence. He believes AI will surpass human intelligence, and the only way to keep up is to integrate with it. In 2024, Neuralink successfully implanted its first human brain chip. A milestone in history. This could cure paralysis, boost memory, and even allow telepathic communication. Imagine a future where your brain is connected to the internet, where you can download knowledge like in the Matrix. But is this a technological miracle, Doug, or the beginning of something dangerous? Musk's ultimate dream. His biggest goal, colonizing Mars. Musk has always said, humanity must become a multiplanetary species, and he is not just dreaming, he is doing it. SpaceX is building Starship, the most powerful rocket ever made. This is the key to making life on Mars possible. Musk plans to send humans to Mars within the next decade. Sounds impossible? So did Tesla. So did SpaceX. But Musk thrives on making the impossible real. If he succeeds, he won't just be the money king. He will be the king of planets. The struggles nobody talks about. Being the richest man in the world comes with a cost. Musk works 16+ hours a day. He sleeps in factories. He barely has a personal life. His personal relationships have suffered. Divorces, controversies, public criticism. The price of being a visionary leader is high. Yet he keeps moving forward. While others slow down after success, Musk only speeds up. So what drives him? Money? Power? Or something even greater? Will Musk change the world forever? From a bullied kid to the richest man alive. From nearly losing everything to reshaping industries. From building Tesla to dreaming of Mars. Elon Musk is not just a billionaire. He is a revolution in human history. And now, the final question is for you. If Musk can change the world, what's stopping you from changing your life?